Hey, so if Zen Browser feels slow, stutters while scrolling, or keeps lagging on Windows 11, yeah, there are a few settings that can usually speed things up pretty quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser lagging on Windows 11 step by step. All right, first, close Zen Browser completely and restart your computer to clear temporary performance issues. Too many open tabs can slow the browser down and increase memory usage. Some extensions run constantly in the background and can seriously affect browser speed. Clearing cached files and browsing data can help remove corrupted temporary files causing lag. Sometimes hardware acceleration creates performance issues on certain graphics drivers. Open Task Manager and close unnecessary background apps using too much CPU or RAM. Make sure Zen Browser is updated because newer versions often improve speed and stability. Outdated graphics drivers can also cause lagging, especially during video playback or scrolling. If the lag continues, reinstall Zen Browser completely to reset corrupted settings or profiles. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help Zen Browser run smoother and faster on Windows 11.